Hello, and welcome to another Career Quick Tip training with Attainable HR Consulting, taught to you by Camicia Clark. So, today we are talking about how to shorten or edit your LinkedIn URL. For those of you who do not know, once you pull up your own LinkedIn profile, your LinkedIn URL is at the very, very top. Okay, this is the information that should be listed on your resume so that the recruiter or reader of your resume has the ability to click it and come directly to your LinkedIn profile, because your LinkedIn profile and your resume work hand in hand to give a good perception of who you are, what you do, and the value that you can add to any career opportunity. Okay. So once you've pulled yourself up on LinkedIn, what you should do at that point is go over to the top right and click the Edit Public Profile and URL link. Click that. It's going to open up another box with your profile in it. Over here to the top right where it says Edit Your Custom URL, this is where we will make the edits to your LinkedIn URL. And for anyone who's never edited their LinkedIn URL before, you may have a whole lot of running numbers behind it. It's very long and it would be very difficult to type for someone if they needed to type it. Okay, so you want to click the blue pencil next to your current LinkedIn URL, and it will highlight this section of the URL that you have the ability to edit. Now, with editing, I want you to make it simple, professional, and easy. Okay. So what I want you to do is try to utilize your first name, last name, or last name, first name, or some combination of that, right? Because remember, this is for professional use. So there's no need to do anything fancy or catchy. We want to make it as simple and professional as possible. Okay. If you have a very common name, you might want to put a number or two at the end, but that is it. You again want to make it easy to type. Okay. So once you make your edits and your changes, you just type in the box, then you click save, and you'll get a pop-up down here to the left at the bottom that says that your updates have been made. Next, what you will do is just go up to the top and hit refresh. Then you will look here to the top right again, and you should see that your new LinkedIn URL is there. What I will advise you to do is highlight it, right click, copy, and then paste it at the top of your resume with your contact information. Okay. Another way to check that is to go back to your main profile page and hit refresh. Once your page comes up again, then you would look up here at the top and you should see your now edited LinkedIn URL. Okay. And that's it. It's just that simple. If you need any assistance with your LinkedIn page or getting your LinkedIn page optimized, I can assist you with that. What I would advise you to do is to contact me, reach out to me, put in comments that you have down below, and I will follow up with you regarding them. Okay. Now, when I say optimize your LinkedIn profile, what that means is this. Do you see here how I have this banner space that I've used at the top of mine? I have a nice picture here. I have my name, and I have some keywords and professional positions that I've held or that I would like to have, right? I also have a banging about section that speaks very well to my skills, my abilities, and the value that I add. So if your profile needs some optimization, then I can assist you, and I will assist you. Just make sure to reach out. All right. I hope you've enjoyed today's training, brought to you by Attainable HR Consulting. I am Camicia Clark. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye for now.